We're not Cowboys. He's a Redskins fan.
Yeah, so
I'm a Raiders guy. And you're a Patriots guy.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, we gave y'all this first Super Bowl you guys won.
Ooh.
We gave it to you guys. And you know right now that was a fumble. You know it to this day. Go ahead and admit to it, Josh.
Okay.
Tell us right now. Right now. Tell us right now. Matter of fact, I just thought about this. Now I'm getting hot.
Right.
His facial expression changed like,
You know why?
His facial expression changed like, we ain't give you a damn thing.
You know why? Here's what I'm going to tell you.
What's that?
You can call it what you want.
Yeah.
You know what I'm going to call it?
What?
Super Bowl ring. You can call it a fumble. I don't care. It doesn't matter to me what you call it. I'm going to go ahead and look in the record books. Doesn't say anything about a fumble in there. It says a whole lot about a Super Bowl, though. So
Tuck ruled my ass.
By the way, here's what I want you.
What?
It was a Super Bowl win. Tuck that in. Right in your pocket.
Nice. As I said, he'll be all weekend.
Yeah, tuck that right in your pocket.
Jesse, check that in.
Take that with you.
Oh,
because here's the deal. I love it. I love it when people are like, okay, it was a fumble. You know what else it was? A Super Bowl. I don't care what call it, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't bother me at all. That's why when people say he's a cheater, cool, with 5 rings. I don't care. Whatever you want. Yeah, I don't really care what you want to. That's fine.
Oh my goodness.
And here's, and the Super Bowl will go through Oakland. Never. But
No, wait. You hold that. Wait. You hold that. You hold that because we coming back on the side. I gotta get it. Hey, our Sports Shop Radio open, presented by the Jim Allen.
You know, hurt his feelings down.
Yeah.
Benefiting the Helene
no, that's true.
Foundation.
Brady lives near there, so he might drive it
It's
through
10 off.
Oakland, but it's never going to stop in Oakland.
Benefiting the Helene Foundation is $10 Tuesday.
So he'll have a ring that drives through. He has 5 rings that drives around there all the
At
time.
the River Ridge Golf Club. Take advantage right now of the early bird foursome special, which will get you breakfast from Duck Donuts,
He's really handsome.
lunch from the Raleigh Beer Garden, cart, your golf, and a great parents' party.